You will need to head to Discohook for this assignment. Once you arrive at the website, press the button that says Clear All. Otherwise, it will send us a lengthy paragraph teaching us how to do a Discohook. Instead, we will be teaching ourselves. After you have done that, you are going to need the webhook URL. You can get this by right-clicking the Discohook channel, clicking Edit Channel, go into Integrations, and go into Webhooks. You should see a webhook that is named Discohook Training, and you need to click Copy. Go back over to the Discohook website and paste it into the first box that says Webhook URL. Underneath the Webhook URL box, there is yet again another box. But this isn't like the webhook box. It has content right above it. It is found just below the box that we just pasted the webhook URL into. This box is where you will put your pings. You will ping myself and Discohook ping here. When pinging a role, use the format of, and to ping a username, you will do. Head to Discord settings, advanced, and enable developer mode. Failure to do so, simple as that. You can't copy the user role ID. For those who have done that, once you right-click the user or the role, it should give you the ID of it to put in between the format so that it will ping the user or role once sent. After you have put the pings, please put your Roblox username in brackets so that we know who made the Discohook. Embed body. Now that you have put the ping of the user/role, you will be adding an embed. You add an embed by pressing the box that says Add an embed, of course. Once you have made the embed, head to the body and you should see the title and description box. In the title, put This is a title, then move to the description and put the following. This is bold. Please do make it bold. To do this, add 2 asterisks at the beginning and end of the phrase. This is in italic. You can italicize it by adding 1 asterisk. This should be done at both the beginning and end of the sentence. This is underlined. You can underline it by adding 2 underscores when the phrase begins and ends. Looks. Just the text is boring, so let's make this more appealing to our eyes. It's time to change the color of the side. You can do this by going back to the body and looking at the color portion. You now need to find an LED logo that looks similar in color to it. The colors have to be similar in order to get full credit for the looks of it. You can find these LED logos in the general channel pings or in LED logo channel. Once you have selected your matching logo, click the copy link right after right-clicking it. Now, go to images again in the Discohook, but instead of putting it in the image URLs, you will be pasting it in the thumbnail URL. Look up GIFs and find a cute GIF that you like. I prefer to use the website Tenor to find these. After you have found your GIF, copy the image address and go to the images portion of the embed. Paste that GIF you have just found in image URLs. Footer. For the footer, you will do the name of the webhook you are using, Discohook Training, and put it as the footer. Then you will press timestamp and press on today's date. Posting it. Now that your Discohook is all pretty, you will be pressing send. When you press send, it should go to the Discohook channel. Click send once. Do not click it repeatedly, as nothing seems to have happened. It has most likely worked, but go to the Discohook channel and check. However, if you made changes due to a mistake, then that's okay. Just don't click it repeatedly. Editing it. Finally, we will be editing. Copy the message link, go back to the Discohook, and paste it into the last box that says the message link above it. You will now go back to embeds and body and put in the description, this is edited. Now, when you scroll up, instead of that send button you would usually see, it says edit. Last but not least, press the edit button and you are done.